Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about a recent paper on assignment space-based multi-object tracking and segmentation. Multi-object tracking and segmentation is the task of jointly addressing detection and association. Detection involves finding bounding boxes and segmentation masks of objects. Association involves assigning consistent identities to detected objects over time. Challenges in mods involve identity switches due to occlusion and variational viewpoints, etc., or faulty detections including false positives and false negatives. Tracking of objects over the sequence of frames has been addressed using batch and online methods. Batch methods assume that an entire sequence of frames is available, while online methods operate frame by frame. Existing MODS methods include TrackRCNN, which first introduced the concept of MODS in 2019, MODS Fusion, which uses 3D information to post-process video frames, PointTrack, which treats segmented objects as point clouds. All these methods perform frame-by-frame association of objects. Given a sequence of frames and detected objects, a cost C is defined. Cij is the total cost of assigning detection I in the previous frame to detection j in the current frame. The Hungarian algorithm is used to obtain the best local assignment matrix between consecutive frames, denoted by AT star. Each entry in an assignment matrix is either 0, indicating no assignment, or 1, indicating that an assignment has been made. Currently, there are no batch methods for mods, but there are several powerful batch methods that operate on bounding boxes to track objects. But bounding box tracking could be suboptimal due to high overlap between boxes. Besides, some of these methods have very high computational complexity. In this work, we develop an intuitively simple batch method for mods, but it can also be applied to only bounding boxes. We start with the original detection space. Our cost function C has trainable parameters lambda. Like prior work, we use the Hungarian algorithm to find the best set of local assignments. This is denoted by A1T. Instead of stopping here, we obtain the second best, the third best, till the kth best assignment matrix per frame pair using the Hungarian Murty algorithm. The idea is that the set of best local assignments may not always represent the best global assignments. We use YT to represent the indices of the top k best local assignments. The set of k best assignments per frame pair over an entire video sequence forms the assignment space. Each node has some node cost phi1, the total cost of assigning all the detections in frame t-1 to the detections in frame t following YT assignments. Two assignment nodes in consecutive frame pairs have h cost phi2, the total cost of assigning detections in frame t-1 to detections in frame t+1 following YT and YT+1 assignments. Each path y is formed by picking up exactly one assignment per frame pair. The total cost of a path y, denoted by Ly, is the sum of individual node costs and the h costs in the assignment space. We can directly apply classical dynamic programming to get the global minimum cost path y star. Note that the total cost L depends on the tracking parameters lambda and deepnet parameters theta. We can jointly train lambda and theta using standard structured prediction. After getting y star from the inference step, we use the corresponding assignment matrices to go back to the detection space and link objects over time. We are left with multiple short tracklets because objects can be missing for multiple frames. Note that in this example, not all detections are shown for simplicity. We construct a cost matrix to associate the short tracklets. Darker color indicates higher cost. Using the Hungarian algorithm, we join the short tracklets over a longer time range. Experiments. KT-MODS and MODS challenge are the two main datasets we evaluate on. We use the higher order tracking accuracy and association accuracy as our evaluation matrix. Please see the paper for more metrics. On the KT-MODS test set, our assignment space-based method outperforms other methods that don't use depth information for the object category car. For pedestrians, we not only outperform TrackRCNN and PointTrack, we also outperform MODS Fusion that uses depth information. Next, we show the usefulness of having top k assignments instead of just the best local assignment. When k increases from 1 to 15, the association accuracy increases. Please check our paper for more quantitative results. Qualitatively, we see in the video that an identity switch occurs for PointTrack. Our method was able to preserve the identity. Similar observations can be made in other videos. Our method preserves all identities of objects in the video as seen from the top right 3D representation. A short clip is shown in the bottom left. Similar observations are made for other videos. To conclude, we develop an assignment space-based formulation for mods. We use structured prediction to score assignment sequences and train the detection, segmentation, and tracking parameters. For inference, we use dynamic programming to find the global optimum cost path and later connect the short tracklets through assignment formulation. Thank you very much. Please see our paper and visit our website for more details.